Hi, my name is Max Mira, and I'll be telling you today who I am, what I've learned, and what I'll be taking with me in the future. So let's jump into it. Who I am. I'm a student at the University of Central Florida, and I study at the College of Business. Here's a picture of what our building looks like. I study integrated business, and this is our logo. I minored in international business and obtained that by studying abroad for 1 year. And I expect to be graduating in May 2018. So next, I'll be talking to you about what I've learned. One of the classes I took was contemporary selling. What I learned was a lot about sales and marketing. We learned all the different features about it, how they intertwine with each other, and how to implement it with other businesses. We went into detail about the customer journey and how it's evolutionizing itself with new technology and today's sales. We also went in depth with customer service and how to provide really good customer service rather than the old traditional way of doing things. We also went in discussion about sales promotions with consumers and also with businesses to business. Now, I'll be telling you what I learned about Applied Business Technologies. This is one of my favorite courses. We learned the traditional and new technologies that are being used today in the business sales, in the businesses. We also had hands-on experience with things like Simply Analytics to map out demographics and customer data. We advanced our skills in Excel, and we also learned things about e-commerce. And on our final project, we had to pick a team had to pick a small business, and in the end, propose to them why we should use this technology that we recommended with them. Next class was managerial economics, also one that I liked a lot. We learned the market forces about supply and demand, how to minimize production costs. We also learned about We also learned about monopolistic competition, monopolies, and oligopolies. And my favorite part of the class was learning about game theory and what one person can do when knowing that there's another competitor in the market. And lastly, integrated business foundations. Here in this class, I learned a lot about soft skills. Things like how to work in a team, communication within each other, leadership and how to be a real leader and all the different ways of being a leader, the uses of power and influence and how to use it for the good, how to deal with conflict management and dealing with difficult conversations within the workplace, negotiation, which was our last part of the class, where we learned how to negotiate things between each other, and also our salary, which becomes a very difficult topic of conversation. Now that's about what I've learned, and these are the things that I'll be taking with me to the future. So one of the things that we learned from contemporary selling was how to learn from failures. Things like reviewing the pattern, learning from the mistakes, and even sharing with other people will definitely help me in my career. How to enjoy a balanced life by being real, by being whole, and being innovative. Knowing what really matters in the world. And using all my resources, and even considering talking to other people about these problems will help me maintain a balanced life in the workforce and in my personal life. Theoretical knowledge, which I just talked about. Things like my contemporary selling class, my applied business technology, managerial economics, and integrated business foundations are hard skills that I will carry forward in my career. And lastly, the soft skills, which is the communicating, knowing how to have difficult conversations, and analyzing data will help me for my future as well. So that wraps things up. What I told you today was who I am, what I've learned, and what I'd be planning to take with me to the future. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.